Okay, welcome to episode 2 of the live build of Live Game Design Pro. The free version, Lite, is already out. You can check it in the description below, and all the other things relevant to finding out what the hell live game design is and the story behind it. And basically, I'm Michael. I'm building out the Pro version. I've got 2 weeks to release it, and then yeah, I kind of just want to document this journey. Most of the hard work is done because I've already built it out into the Lite version. So this is just transferring everything onto Pro, and you can watch me do it, learn about how I do it, steal all the things that I use if you want from me. I don't care. And yeah, what I have to do now is build out the phone dashboards in Pro. So this is the base of the phone dashboards. All of these pages are empty at the moment, and I need to fill them in. So you won't be able to see it. I've got an ultra wide monitor. So on this side is where I'm doing the Pro version, and on the other side where you can't see is the opening of the Lite version that I've got. But anyways, let's get to it. I'm not hiding too much away from you because everything that I'm doing you will see. So let me just set up a bit. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start with capture because last time I did capture and I've actually got it on my main capture page. If I go to the dashboards database and I go to dashboards and I go to capture, which is in utility. Here we go. Cool, so I've got all of these already. I can just copy that. I've tested them, they work. So hopefully these copy nicely. And I'm just going to chuck them all in my phone capture. I'm just going to see how I laid out the phone capture. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to copy and paste them. Oh no, they didn't link. Let me try do them individually because linking all of these is going to take quite a bit of time. Let me try that again. If I just copy one at a time. Oh no, and my control C is not working. I swear. Yesterday, something was going on in my control C. And it's happening again today. I just want to... Okay. That is working. Let me copy this. Copy that. Hopefully it pastes. No, it's not doing it. What the hell? Oh god. How else can I get around this? Bug texting. Okay. Move to. Actually, I can move it to another page. If I duplicate this and then move this to phone capture. Oh, let's see if that works. Okay, we're in business. Nice. Okay. I'll do that for all of these. Move to phone capture. Nice. All right. So call out line. So this little menu that I'm making here is how you're gonna see it on your phone, and you're gonna be able to quick select between all these different ones really quickly, quite easily. And if I just make headers for each of them, then they'll be nice and separated. So here we go. Projects. Oh, I want to do it with the... Nah. Cool. Okay. And then in here, I'm going to put a table of contents. TOC. Cool, so now that will appear. Take this down here. Do it the same for tasks. Easy. Same for notes. I'm going to include basic templates for each. Maybe I'll do this in my main capture page too. But what I mean is that what you're seeing here is all the different OctaCore attributes. If you want to know in depth about OctaCore, it's the 8 core areas of life that we need to manage. But there's also, and they dictate how you manage your project styles and nodes. So I'm going to do some default templates. Add page 2. Project database. So I need to make that first, actually. So I need to come here. I need to find my projects database and edit the template. Okay, cool. So I'll just duplicate this and make this a basic. Or default. Yeah, I'll call it default. And cover will be of just the normal project. And then for the sub project, so I'll have a default. And it's going to be a boring gray, because essentially you want to, I want to incentivize people to use OctaCore. Because what happens is, if you look at my personal one and you see OctaCore, wait for it to load. I don't know why it's taking so long. There we go, cool. Then you can see all of your achievements. So every project becomes an achievement, and then you can see all of this over here, and you can see like all these different areas of life where you're having achievements. So they can be all modeled together if you go to a basic view like this, but this will show you like exactly what you're focusing on in different areas of your life, because you're not always going to be winning in every single area of your life. Okay, so basic project, but if you're lazy and you don't want to select the OctaCore, then you can just use this. So I got the default project name. I'll call this default project. Cool. And I'll steal that for the task that I'm going to do. I'll just duplicate this. Boom. So default task. Change this to tasks. Basic. I've got to rename that to default. Change that. Boom. All right. And one more for note. Doc. Alright, cool. Looks all nice and clean. Oh, I've got to make it open. That's one thing I forgot. Open page. So when you create it, you just want it to open automatically like this. Nice. So back to phone capture, I'm going to open this in full. And now do a big quick test to see if everything works. Page added. Alright, cool. Time for a big test. And I'm going to have to delete everything after I've tested it. So I'm just going to open these up so I'm ready for that. Get rid of these two. I'm going to get rid of some stuff ahead. Alright, cool. Alright, let's test this phone capture. So let's pretend I'm on my phone. I come here, click that. Let's see, double check the layout, see if I've got it right. I'm going to color this yellow. Oh, how's it looking blue? Just want to check that. No, let's do yellow. Alright. And I want to color these blue. And oh yeah, I need a button to take me back to the phone dashboards. Ah, man. That's going to be hell of annoying. My buttons, I can't duplicate buttons with Control C. Okay. Alright, phone dashboards. Oh, get that right. So I'm going to add a button up here that takes you back to the phone dashboards. Give that a little icon of the phone, make it yellow, follow the theme. And then I want to open in full page the phone dashboard. Let's test that. Nice. Very fluid. Okay, cool. So I'll go back here, do that, and then I want to copy this. I'm going to have to duplicate it because I can't copy. Okay, I want to duplicate to the bottom, so that means when you scroll to the very bottom of here, you can just do the same thing. And we'll have a similar layout. Opposite, cool. Nice, okay, let's test this out. So we got default project, nice. Oh, I need to open it up in full while I test this. Strength main project, nice. Persistence, experience, creativity, contribution, intelligence, attachment, life force. Very good. Okay, same with tasks. Default, strength. Okay. Just making sure these templates pop up properly. Can tell by the icon as soon as it comes. And that means I've done my job properly. Because what you can do is that if you don't remember, oh, I just need to set this one to change the name. So you don't have to delete the name every time. Nice. Only one error, that's so good. Okay. I'm going to copy these back into the main capture page and delete all of this. Sweet. Okay. So if I go to the dashboards, open that up, go to utility and capture. I'll get rid of these and give it the updated ones. So if I go here, duplicate this and move it to main capture. Okay, cool. Easy. Okay. I'll just test the button as well. Both buttons. Nice. Alright, come back here and just arrange these in the 3 columns. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that looks good. Nice. The reason why I put like all the spacing here is because when you're actually on your phone, you can accidentally misclick. So it makes it a bit easier. And for these main ones, like this will just give you a default. Not default, it will give it to you as empty, so you can select the template. So yeah, you can select your own template here. I'm just gonna move that later. If I come back to the dev dashboard, so defaults is here, and then you've got your OctaCore ones there. Nice. Alright, that was really quick. The capture page done. Just got to list all of the things I've got to do. Over here is my personal focus room. On my personal life game design, this is how I organize what I need to do for these sessions. It's like a deep workstation. I've got a timer over here that's showing me how much time I have left. In the normal focus room, you'd have a timer here that I put for you. But for the pro dashboards, phone dashboards, that's already done. I need to do the achievements dashboard or the today dashboards. I think the achievements dashboards is going to be easier to do, especially for the stream, so I think I might get on that. But I think I might leave it there. I might make another stream because this kind of shows how to make the capture page on dashboard. Maybe I'll just do like a mini series real quick and then come back. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. That sounds like a good idea. All right.